नमस्कार दोस्तों। अभी मैं बिहार कृषि विश्वविद्यालय में आया हुआ हूं और आज बिहार कृषि विश्वविद्यालय का 17वां स्थापना दिवस है। इस स्थापना दिवस पर बिहार कृषि विश्वविद्यालय सबौर के कुलपति डॉक्टर डी.आर. सिंह ने बिहार कृषि विश्वविद्यालय के उपलब्धियों के बारे में वहां पर मौजूद सभी को बताया और हमारे वीडियो में बने रहिए। धन्यवाद।
और खेत खलिहान का कार्यान्वयन एक साथ मिलकर उनकी समृद्धि के लिए निरंतर कार्य कर रहे हैं। मुझे अत्यंत हर्ष हो रहा है कि बिहार सरकार के माननीय ग्रामीण विकास मंत्री आदरणीय श्री श्रवण कुमार जी आज अपनी गरिमामय उपस्थिति से इस समारोह की शोभा बढ़ा रहे हैं। महोदय, आपकी उपस्थिति बिहार के गांवों की आकांक्षाओं और विकास की भावनाओं को इस समारोह के केंद्र में स्थापित करती है। ग्रामीण विकास, सामुदायिक कल्याण तथा आजीविका संवर्धन के प्रति आपकी दीर्घकालिक प्रतिबद्धता आपकी उपस्थिति को और भी सार्थक बनाती है। हम आपके आगमन तथा विश्वविद्यालय को निरंतर प्रदान किए जा रहे मार्गदर्शन एवं प्रोत्साहन के लिए हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। थोड़ी देर में हमारे भागलपुर के माननीय सांसद श्री अजय कुमार मंडल जी भी आने वाले हैं। मैं उनका भी उनके अब्सेंस में हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ। यहाँ उपस्थित हमारे सभी डीन, डायरेक्टर्स, रजिस्ट्रार, प्रिंसिपल्स, स्टूडेंट्स, स्टाफ, फार्मर्स, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द मीडिया एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी का बिहार कृषि विश्वविद्यालय के 17वीं फाउंडेशन डे के अवसर पर स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ। Well, at the outset, I respectfully acknowledge the gracious message of the Honorable Lady Governor and has conveyed her warm greetings and best wishes to the entire fraternity of the university. She has expressed confidence in BAU's continued contribution to agricultural education, research, innovations, and extension, and her blessings are deeply valued on this significant occasion. Today, BAU Sabor is not only celebrating the 17th years, we are reviewing a promise made to the soil of Bihar, to its farmers, to its youth, and to the generation that will inherit the future of agriculture. A Foundation Day is not simply a date of the history of our institutions. It is a moment to ask how many lives have we improved, how many opportunities have we created, how many scientific ideas have reached the field, and how effectively have we prepared our students to serve the society. An agricultural university cannot be measured only by the buildings it has constructed and the laboratories it has established or the paper it has published. Its real progress must be measured by the farmers whose risk has been reduced, the students whose future has been strengthened, the village where technology has generated income, and the local product and that has acquired identity, quality, and market value. On this historic occasion, I place on record my profound gratitude to all the honorable chancellors and vice chancellors of Bihar Agricultural Universities, Sabor, whose vision, guidance, and dedicated leadership have shaped the growth of these institutions. Each of them contributed to strengthening its academic and research programs, infrastructure, extension service, and commitment to Bihar farming community. I also express our sincere appreciation to the alumni of Bihar Agricultural University who carry the acknowledged values and reputation of their alma mater across the country and beyond. Though their achievements in science, education, administration, entrepreneurship, industry, and farming, they continue to enrich the university's legacy and inspire our present students. And institutions advances through the wisdom of those who led it, the dedication of those who serve it, and the accomplishment of those who carry its identity into the wider world. The achievements we celebrate today are therefore the result of continuing institutional journey built by successive honorable chancellor, urban policy makers, vice chancellor, strengthened by teachers, scientists, and employees carried forward by students and alumni and media personnel, sustained by trust of Bihar farmers. Friends, our recent journey has been guided by one central conviction. Bihar Agriculture University must make agriculture more rewarding for the farmers of Bihar and agriculture education more accessible, relevant, and empowering for the students of Bihar. To translate this conviction into action, we followed a clear route. We strengthened human resources, framed enabling policies, expanded educational opportunities, established advanced scientific facilities, connected research with products, and carried technologies from the laboratory to farmers, entrepreneurs, and markets. One of our highest priorities has been to develop Bihar Agriculture University as a leading agriculture education hub, a place where students do not just obtain degrees but acquire competence, the confidence, values, entrepreneurial ability, and leadership. The university has emerged as a nationally recognized institution through reforms in academic governance, research management, quality assurance, and stakeholder engagement. It became the first state agriculture university in Bihar to receive ICR accreditation with A grade, achieved NAC A grade, and secured a place in NIRF ranking agriculture and rice sectors during 2024 and 2025 and strengthened its scientific credibility through accredited laboratory systems. We have integrated more than 250 scientists and faculty members from 17 states, bringing diverse expertise, multidisciplinary thinking, and wider national exposure into our classrooms, laboratories, and extension programs. We have also expanded academic programs through the establishment of new colleges, operationalization of postgraduate programs in constituent colleges, and enhancement of undergraduate and postgraduate students intake, diploma, certificates, vocational, and value-added programs have been introduced to meet the emerging needs in agriculture and right sectors as per the National Education Policy. By expanding educational society, we are not merely admitting more students, we are preparing a larger and stronger pool of human resources for Bihar's agriculture development. Modern facilities such as language laboratory, career enhancement and guidance cell, remote library access, placement and career counseling support, and academia industry interactions are being helping our students prepare for a rapid changing professional environment. More than 250 high quality video lectures, e-learning resources, and blending learning system are further strengthening access to the quality education. So our message to every students are very clear. Your degree should create opportunities. Your knowledge should provide solutions, and your education should enable you to serve the society. The strength and stature of a university are shaped by the excellence, dedication, and integrity for its teacher. We have therefore initiated the Best Teacher of the Month award to recognize teachers who demonstrate excellence in teaching, innovation, pedagogy, effective monitoring, mentoring, punctuality, and commitment to students. This is based on the students' feedback and performance evaluation. The purpose is not simply to honor one teacher every month. It is to create an academic culture in which good teaching is noticed, respected, celebrated, and emulated. We have also introduced a 4-minute research findings that is very popularly known as 4MRF, a competition for postgraduate students who have submitted their theses. Though 4MRF students learn to organize their thoughts, select the most meaningful evidence, speak before the audience, and explain the relevance of their research to farmers, industries, policymakers, and society.
इंतजार करेंगे ना
Through our training programs, field demonstration, advisories, community radio, कृषि संवाद, सवाल जवाब लाइव, कृषि ज्ञान वाहन, डोर टू डोर सीड डिलीवरी, किसान मेलास, village living kisan libraries, and custom hiring centers. We have continuously reduced the distance between the scientist and the farmer. The number of beneficiaries reached by this university increased from 2,82,000 during 2023 and 24 to 3,43,000 during 2025 and 6. That is equivalent to approximately 940 beneficiaries every day. So behind these figures, the real stories, a farmer receiving timely advice before a disease destroys their crop, a woman learning value addition and beginning an enterprise, a rural youth received skill training, a small farmer obtaining quality seed and planting materials, and a village adopting a more productive and sustainable farming system. And therefore, principle is very clear. The farmer to search for the university must reach the farmer with the knowledge and our extension system more practical and measurable. We have introduced the BIU Farmer Centric Extension Innovation Model that includes the BIU Farmers Problem Bank, one student, one farmer, one solution, Sampurna Posan Gram, one KVK, one signature village, and one enterprise. Kisan Professor, Farmer Innovation Registration, and Extension Impact Card. These initiatives will connect farmers, problems with research, provide field-based learning to students, promote village enterprise, and measure the actual improvement in farmers' income, nutrition, and livelihood. Bihar produces many distinct agricultural commodities. However, entry into premium national and international markets requires more production. It requires testing, certification, traceability, food safety, and compliance with quality standards. The university developed 52 varieties of different crops, 32 products, 26 patents, 25 copyrights, and established more than 25 advanced laboratories covering biotechnologies, bioinformatics, artificial intelligence, drone technology, phenomics, and analytical science, weather forecasting, and GIS. The pesticide reduced laboratory has achieved the NABL national accreditation, while the accreditation process has been initiated for the seed, soil, and honey testing laboratory. Through the GI mission mode of Bihar, 55 potential GI products have been identified, 28 GI applications have been filed, and more than 30 products are progressing through the GI pipeline. Product-specific producer groups, packaging, branding, and linkages are also being strengthened. A geographical indication is much more than the legal registration. It connects a product with its place, the people, traditional knowledge, authenticity, and reputation. This ecosystem is enabling students to transform ideas into enterprises while helping farmers gain access to new technologies, products, services, and markets. We are therefore committed to producing high quality human resources, young people who can become scientists, skilled professionals, agri-entrepreneurs, and leaders of rural transformation. So my dear students, you are not merely studying agriculture, you are preparing to address the challenges of food security, climate change, nutritional security, natural resources conservation, and rural prosperity. You are also on this 17th Foundation Day. Let us renew our collective resolve and let Bihar Agricultural University be known as a university where students discover their potential, teachers inspire excellence, scientists create solutions, farmers receive dependable support, and Bihar agriculture finds its identity in the world. With these words, I once again extend a warm welcome to all our beloved guests. Let us continue this journey together from knowledge to action, from laboratory to land, from local identity to global recognition, and from education to empowerment. With this, thank you, Jai Hind.